Thanks, guys. Thank you. Take care.
That's it for us. Thanks, everybody.